Hey everybody, it's Laura. I am back with my Hungry Root subscription. This is a food subscription service that has, here's my food, that has a lot of like vegan and dairy-free kind of options. You don't have to do vegan, but they have a lot. So let me pull all of this out and then I'll show you what I got. Okay, so here is all of my food. I had just one casualty of a, like a sauce, I guess, but I'll start over here. So I got the Asian salad mix, which is delicious. Let's see. We have Napa cabbage, broccoli, carrots, kohlrabi, and sugar snap peas. And then there's a avocado crema. I can't quite remember what my meals were that I selected, because you can select like full meals or you can select like grocery items. And I can't quite remember. It does come with paperwork. Let me see if it's in here. Okay, so here are the meals I selected. And then here are like all of the grocery, like the total items. But let's see. So the Asian salad is for stir fry. So I have stir fry with Asian salad mix, seasoned grilled chicken breast, and sesame ginger. So the Asian salad mix, and then the sesame ginger dressing, and the seasoned grilled chicken breast, which is all like frozen and everything. Again, you could do this vegan or not. I apologize for the shadows. I am not vegan, but I am lactose intolerant, so this subscription works really well for me. All right, what's next? We have a pasta, so we have Hungry Root garlic parm, chickpea shells, and sweet baby broccoli. So these are the chickpea shells. You can get these at the grocery store. They're really, really good. I've been eating them a ton lately, and the only thing to note is like they foam when you cook, so definitely watch your pot because they can like foam up and over, which is kind of crazy. Okay, and then we have sweet baby broccoli. Looks super, super good. All wrapped up there. And then the garlic parm sauce, which is dairy-free and absolutely fantastic. I might actually make that for dinner tonight. Yeah, that might be really good. Let's see. Then I have another pasta dish, the sweet Italian chicken sausage, garlic parm. So you can use the garlic parm in both recipes and have enough. Chickpea, cavatappi, and baby broccoli. So this is just a different noodle, a different shape, and then the same sauce. And then I have another broccoli. Again, looks delicious. Okay, then I bought the burger. So I have the Hungry Root. Oh, that's what the avocado is for. I forgot. Avocado crema, Beyond Meat burger, and the one bun multigrain. So we have the sandwich buns, which look good. I've never had these before. They look like you could probably just get them in a grocery store, but it's so convenient to get it like this. And then underneath here, and the sweet Italian chicken sausage was for that other meal, wasn't it? Yeah, with this pasta and the broccoli and the sauce. Okay, and then this is the Beyond Burger. So you could obviously just eat these like a regular burger. I've never had these before. You can obviously get them other places. Hopefully they're good. If you've ever had them, let me know. I'm interested. And then I picked up some grocery items. So I picked up this little snack pack of hummus chips. So they're hummus chips with hummus. They're really good. I've had this before. I picked up a container of beef marinara because I wanted to try it. The avocado crema was for the burger. And then I picked up a salad. So this is the rainbow veggie mix, red cabbage, carrot, and kale. And it looks freaking fantastic. Best Buy $2.28. I got this yesterday, which was $2.27. And I just stuck the whole box in my fridge because I didn't have time to deal with it. Or today's the 27th, so really 2 days. I'll have to take that for my lunch tomorrow. So that's a little frustrating. And, you know, they're not a perfect service. So, like, this one's March 6th for this salad recipe, or this salad mix, which is better. It's not a perfect service. I've had some issues. As you guys have know, and if you watch my Plan With Me videos, but I still love the service, and I especially love being able to get sauces that don't have dairy in them. Like, that's one of my biggest things. But also the food is really, really good. Okay, and then I also got this grocery item, which is Strawberry Blend Skin on Superfruit Snack, and it's sweet red apple, Bosc pear, and strawberry, and I think it's just like dried fruit, essentially, but I'm excited to try it. So I'll probably take this and the salad for lunch tomorrow, and I'll probably make... Oh, and maybe the hummus chips. That would be a perfect lunch. And then I'll probably make one of the pasta meals tonight because I don't really feel like a burger. But having some like garlic parm and broccoli would be really, really delicious right now. So that is my Hungry Root. You can see that all of the really super fresh food. Again, I just had one sauce that didn't quite make it. It was the spinach artichoke dip, which I take in my lunch a lot of times. Then I'll just take something like a Triscuit and eat it like an artichoke dip, which is really delicious. But the package was destroyed in the process of getting it to me. So I don't have that one to show you, but it's really good. I've had it before. Sorry, that banana's in here. And I am going to go make dinner. There is a link down below for money off of an order. I also get money from that link, but I have used a subscription for years now, and I really, really love it. I love that they've expanded their product line, and they have some things that you can get in store, so you can like try it with the service, and then if you like it, you can get it at the store, and then you can save the like points that you use to get things, to like get other stuff from the company, like, you know, sauces or whatever. I think that's a really good use of your points, or you can just get them all together and have pre-made or pre-packaged meals that are seriously super easy. So like if you look at these meal recipe things, they're like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe. So it's really, really convenient. I love it so much, and I highly recommend Hungry Root for, especially if you've got like dietary things. Like, they're just super convenient, and you can pick your meals, you can pick your food. There's 3 different size subscriptions. I can say all the good things about it. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. I don't think I'm going to show cooking, because I'm just hungry and I just want to eat. But yeah, it will literally probably take the salad and hummus and the fruit tomorrow in my lunch. Obviously I probably won't eat all of like this especially, but that'll be good. So I'll make pasta tonight and salad tomorrow. Super easy. Love it so much. All right. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Again, let me know if there's any questions, and if you need any recommendations, I'm happy to help. Bye.